Alright, 45 through 58 we've covered thoroughly in class, but if you haven't been there, let's make sure you know how to do this. First in 45, it's asking you for the electron configuration. Electron configuration is when we list everything we see, the 1s2, 2s2. And then over here it's going to be the electron dot. So this will be much more simple. Let's go ahead and review real quick. I'll draw this in the middle, our squares that we have. Remember, and this is the tool that we use to find these answers, not necessarily the answers. Let me pause that. Alright, I paused that, made that a little bit bigger. Alright, so here we go. We have lithium. That one's pretty simple. So the first thing we want to do here, let's make sure we know how many electrons it has. If I look at the periodic table, alright, so to determine the number of electrons, alright, it's going to be the longest video ever. I keep getting interrupted. So for lithium, if I look right over here, I see that lithium has two numbers, a 3. Let me make that bigger. I'm in trouble. No, this is dumb. I can't find a periodic table that won't put lithium on the right. Let's go back here. Alright, so I'll just draw it. Lithium, two numbers, 3, 7. The smaller number is the number of electrons. Alright, so piece of cake, I just put those in now. Each box can hold 2. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's all I would do with this tool, but now let's convert that into an electron configuration. Erase this real quick. Alright, so I just write what I see. I see 1s, and I count 2 of them in. 1, 2. So I write a 2 in superscript. Alright, then I write what's next, 2s, and I see that there's only 1 there, so I have 1. I will be done. That would be the answer for the electron configuration of lithium. Alright, I'll go ahead, let's do a couple more, well, just maybe one more. Alright, let's look at fluorine. Alright, fluorine, if I were to find a periodic table, fluorine is element number 9, has mass 19 if I remember right. The smaller number of the two tells me the number of electrons. So I'm going to do the same thing, and I just account for 9 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then remember up here they go one at a time before they pair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, I counted to 9 and almost started writing 10. Alright, so 9. Now I'm ready to record what I see. Alright, I see 1s and there's 2. I see 2s and there's 2. Alright, 1s2, 2s2, then up here I see in the 2p, I have 5. Alright, so that would be fluorine. Alright, so that's not too bad. Now, let's cover electron dots in 1 minute. For electron dots, the key is to find the element, find what family it's in. Alright, sodium, which is Na, so I write the symbol. It's in family 1, meaning the first vertical column of the periodic table, so I put 1 dot next to it. That would be it. Alright, let's look at calcium. Calcium's in family 2, so it would have 2 dots. Remember, if we have element X, we put the dots in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I don't care if it's a 63 or 36, but I do care if the first 2 are paired. Then we go 1 at a time, counterclockwise until we get a complete total of 8. Alright, that's it.